Speed 2.
Okay.
Recording.
Watch out, April.
April Borough. 2.
Okay, this one's off. April, go.
Boom.
2 GoPros, good?
Yep.
Let's see, 200.
Yep.
Just make sure the flex is rolling. Oh, I think it is. Speed. Make sure this is good here. Yep, we're good. Is that focus? You didn't move the focus right off?
No.
I think that's where I left it. Alright, let's see what happens. Hopefully it runs this time. I don't even like having this here because Did you roll the phone?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm fucking shit, that was cool.
Great.
Holy fucking nuts.
Okay.
That's good.
Dude, that was double explosion.
Dude.
Yeah, it was double.
Holy
My
hell.
ear still rang.
Damn. Nothing hit your car, Dirk. That's good. And I think we got this camera rolling too. Yeah. Oh no. What happened? Oh no, this camera didn't roll. Oh, what the hell? Dude, this one didn't roll.
Still.
Oh, nice. Oh, it's awesome.
That was crazy.
That was nuts. That was 2 explosions.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it blew up the pipe too.
Oh, that's what the second one was.
Yeah.
Is this a, this is a tube?
Yeah.
Picture time.
Hey, if I just turn this off, it saves the file, right? The video?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oof. I accidentally turned it off. Damn. That was nuts.
Did you?
Man, I can't believe that camera didn't roll. Oh my god.
Do you want me to turn off the GoPro?
Yeah, you can turn them off. Oh, I'm sorry, Dirk.
Oh, that's alright.